Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys, and if you have noises coming from the serpentine belt like grinding, squeaking noises, we'll explain what can cause that guys. So stay with us, all that will be covered today. Even though we're demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, the procedure may be the same for multiple engines and generations Kia Optima. With the engine being out, we can clearly show you and demonstrate what can cause these noises coming from the serpentine belt area. So this should work on any generation Kia Optima guys. Even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be about the same. Let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. In addition guys, if you have a Kia Optima and you want to see more videos about electrical components, fuses, check out our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Life. You can find quite helpful information there as well. So this is guys the engine that we'll be demonstrating on, 2.4 GDI engine, and right here we have crankshaft pulley, AC compressor, alternator, idler pulley, tensioner pulley, water pump. So noises that can come guys. Okay, sometimes if you have squeaking, grinding noises coming, you need to inspect your crankshaft pulley guys, because at crankshaft pulley you can see that's metal part, that's metal, and in the middle you have bushing that catches the vibrations. So it's called a harmonic balancer dampener as well. So if that thing fails guys, or starts falling apart, cracks, and sometimes it's on the inside, okay, that can easily cause noises as well. Number two, let's remove the belt and we will explain what else can cause that now. So we're going to release the tensioner pulley, okay, going counterclockwise, and right here now if you look guys, you're going to have an idler pulley, okay, and that idler pulley hours, when I catch it, it has a little bit of play, okay, and if you spin them, if they're grinding, okay, the bearings, you will be able to hear that noise. This one started going bad, but not too bad. This one still, okay, spins great right here. So if those bearings or pulleys are broken, that can easily guys cause, okay, noises coming from the serpentine belt area. One of them will be the bearings fails. Another thing, okay, sometimes the plastic pulleys can crack and fail as well. Another thing that can cause that guys, okay, tensioner pulley right here, belt is short, you can see how terrible it is. Also the tensioner pulley is spring loaded, so it keeps constant pressure on the belt, and ours is cracked, broken, the spring is messed up on the inside, that will not put enough tension on the belt, and as a result guys, okay, you can see how soft it is. That will cause your belt to slip, and that can cause noises as well. So things to inspect when you have noises from the serpentine belt. Okay, I'll inspect tensioner pulley, idler pulleys, and also I'll inspect the crankshaft pulley. Another thing, it could be guys old or stretched belt. In some cases can cause that too, because if the belt is too long, if it's stretched too much, or it's slipping, that can cause these noises as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.